Hi guys, so today I come to do some job with Pajero, but the weather is all the time bad. It's like small rain and windy, so I cannot weld outside. So I'm gonna try maybe to prepare floor. I will try to clean it and cut some pieces that need to be cutted, and we'll see where we're gonna be then. We need to cut a lot, or we can clean and protect, and what's gonna be the plan here. Yeah, that's on the driver side. Yes, driver side. Forgot the words sometimes. Okay, yeah, let's start. Okay, to fix this part I need to start fixing also this canal together. So much shit here. I think someone tried to fix it before. It's like so much of this mass. My goodness, it's crazy, so much shit here. So it's not so easy to fix the floor here because it's all connected, so I think I need to make it like together. Fix canal and floor at one in this situation. Yeah, so I need to cut this and then straighten this one here because this already go in because it was too weak. And then try to to weld a piece here. Bend it first. Yeah, we'll see. Okay guys, I cut some more pieces, a little bit here, and I cut like this piece here. It's here. Oh yes, it's here. I don't know if you see that. Yes. So I make big window now, but still I'm gonna cut all of this here. Not all, but there's a good spot here around it. Here. I cut this piece here. And then I can start making some new part. I need to cut it now. Trying to make this piece here from one sheet of metal. I don't want to cut it in the pieces, so I bend a little bit down here, this corner. But now it's a little bit complicated because I have more angles and I need to bend it here also and cut and put it under, so not so easy. Hope I'm gonna get there. It's not gonna be perfect, but it needs to be as close as I can to make it perfect. There's no special tools for me guys for shaping metal, so I'm trying my best. It's not the worst. For the piece that is gonna be welded, it's not that bad. So I have this piece. It's not 100% ready, but I bend it a little bit here and down there. And I fit it here, so still need to bend a little bit here, but for now it's the place where it's gonna be. And fix this floor to cut this piece, so then I can start cleaning. I need to make also one more piece down there and start welding. Okay, so the floor panel it's ready, but the final cut, because it's not fit 100% here, it's gonna be later, because first I need to fix the side, so then maybe it's gonna move a little bit to the left, so then it should fit here. So what I'm gonna do now, I need a hole right here just for the screw bolt. So on the other side these holes are still in the place, so I'm gonna measure now how exactly, in which place exactly it's the hole, and I'm gonna cut it, and then I'm gonna make this piece, this one that I cut, but it starts to look nice. If we're gonna weld nicely, protect, it should be okay. Oh.